Hey, I hope you're doing well. So, I'm gonna upload two videos for the firmware. This part is common for everyone. This video will complete the SD card flashing and the RPI connections. Next video will be about the Clipper installation. Okay, so before I start, make sure that you have Octopi downloaded for. So, check that your SD card is completely empty. If you have anything, you have to just delete the volume. Okay, so I use Balena Etcher for flashing the SD card. You have to select the image file that you have downloaded from Octopi, select it, and then select the SD card and then flash. Okay, so now the flashing is completed. You will get this boot, and now we have to search for this one file. It's called octopi WPS applicant. Now open this file and we are going to make certain changes in it. In this file we have to change the SSID and password. Make sure that you insert that in these double quotes. Make sure that you uncomment the whole section. Okay, so we have to make one more change. Uncomment the country your pi is in. So just put your country here. I am in India, so I'm gonna write IN and India. So save the file and insert the SD card in the Raspberry Pi computer and let it boot up. You have to log in from PART-1, so you have to put your IP address. The ID for your login is Pi and the password is Raspberry. Okay, so we are connected to the Raspberry Pi computer. Sometimes you might get some problems with this, but that's mostly because you have entered the wrong Wi-Fi ID and password, or you have entered the wrong IP address in PART-1. So make sure that you see that and insert the correct information. And I hope this was helpful. So see you next time. Bye.